I will cook chicken afritada my style. Oil, onion, isang malaking onion po. So, gusto ko kasi maraming onion. Tinatayak ako ng onion. Garlic. Set aside the onion and garlic. Put chicken. Fish sauce.
Resulting in heavy losses. Today, April 10th, U.S. tariffs have surged to a staggering 145%.
Black pepper. Gusto ko kasi ginigis ako yung onion and garlic para lumasa siya dun sa chicken. Mix lang. Cover. Tomatoes. Oregano. Basil. Cloves. Sarap ng cloves. Masarap siya. Napapasarap siya ng luto. Favorite ko siya. Cloves. Mas malasa yung niluluto kapag nilalagyan ng cloves. Tested ko yan. Saka yung amoy niya. Tomato sauce, cayenne pepper, carrots, sweet potato, and potato. Maliit ata yung pinaglutuan ko. Green tea, raisins para manamis na mix, cover, salt, bell pepper, maybe try it.
Good, babe. Good. Bellissimo! Bellissimo!
Parmesan cheese. And final. Smells so good. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Bye.